Are you excited for the food?
Oh, yeah. So excited.
Pala ko kasama niyo si Ellis. Nasaan si Ellis? Road trip.
Road trip to Hawaii. Nah, I'm just kidding.
What's up guys? Back here again sa Project Woodhaven. Kasama yung family, the whole fam. Si Mami, first time makikita to ni Mami. So yeah, everything is done. Apparently.
Hey, pay up!
Huh? Pay up? You need money? You gotta give us a tour then. They're still cleaning the floor. Just wait up a bit. There's still stuff in the garage. Hello. Still working hard, eh? No. No? Here's the backyard. Again guys, itong property na to is listed na sa market. We have a showing today around noon. So very excited kasi madaming tumingin dun sa listing. And I don't know how many showings is already booked. How many showings that's booked already? 5. So we got 5 showings. Wow. Staging makes it look so good, eh? Extra. So yan, tapos na talaga siya. Like I said, it's listed. We have 5 showings already. And all first night is going to be Thursday. Wow, I love it. I love it. Look at that, guys. Let's go see the basement. Kasi ang basement, nung last time ako pumunta, hindi pa siya tapos. Here's the washroom. Last time, hindi pa tapos to eh. Pero ngayon is done. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. 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 It looks so good. Here's the other room. They made it as like a yoga room. But yeah, excited that this project is finished, done. There's a few touch-up, pero other than that is good. Okay, all done. Ganda. Approved sa kanila. So, I think we're gonna go to a food truck. So we are here na sa Taste of Asia. Tawag nila sa food truck event na to. Lunchtime here. Where's Ellis? What do you guys want? I know, you're here. Let me see you. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Ayan, mga Taiwanese sausage, pot sticker, Savan coffee bean.
There's a lot of things here, bro.
I know, bro.
Filipino.
Yeah, Philippines plug. Good job, Ellis. What do you want to eat, Elijah?
I haven't found one yet.
Okay. There's barbecue. Oh, this one. I want the Wagyu. This one, they have good stuff here. Let's buy this. Like the one that we dip, we're gonna buy that.
Yeah, yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I want that. I want that. Oh my god.
Birria taco. Can you hold my cash? Yeah, I'm just looking for the points. I can't find my change, bro. There it is.
Thank you.
Here you go. Thank you.
Can I your name, sir?
Lou. L-O-U.
L-O-U?
Yes.
Can I go to them, please?
Where?
Can I go to them?
Mama? You wanna sleep? Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna bring him there or what? Yeah.
After,
And then I'll wait here. Or you wanna wait here?
I'll be here.
Okay. Be careful, okay? Ask Mama what she wants.
So Mama, Emil, and Ellis are in the car right now. They don't want to come out because Emil's sleeping and somebody has to look after him, and I think Ellis is tired. Yeah.
Are you excited for the food?
Oh, yeah. So excited. Super excited. It's been kind of long since we've had those food
A
trucks.
year ago.
Yeah.
Because it was summertime, remember? So we're trying out the birria taco first.
That's a year ago. Felt like yesterday.
It was at the Forks, remember?
Yeah, I know, but it felt like yesterday.
I know, right? Ano, hindi ba kayo naka-order? Kahit.
Oh, there's Mom.
Pala ko kasama niyo si Ellis. Kasama niyo si Ellis. What? Kasama niyo si Ellis. Nasaan si Ellis? Nasaan si Ellis?
I want to know. You went to Mama. Anong in-order niya?
Yung birria taco.
Ano naman taco?
Nasaan na ba si tatay? Nagbe-video na naman eh. Nagla-live eh. Ayun na, kuya.
I'm so excited.
There it is, bro.
That's where I had lunch earlier.
Yes, sir. Hey.
He's a W food maker.
You better add some. You're on camera. You're on my vlog, man. You gotta add more. Another one.
Channel or?
Yeah, I do. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You too. Oh
go.
my god.
Let's
So
go sit
first,
somewhere. Right here, bro. rating, Kuya? What's your rating, Kuya Elijah? 10. That's good. Meron pa pala dito. Hindi namin napuntahan tong area na to. Merong spicy noodle challenge.
So whoever finished the 4 cups of spicy noodle will be the winner. So are you ready for number 5 spice? Okay. At the count of 3, audience, I want you to count. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay.
Damn.
Is it spicy, guys? You have water on the side.
Oh, wow.
Wow, one.
Ayun, nakasidid ka doon, guys. Let's go. We got tenga and barbecue para kay April. Gising na si Emil. Hi, Emil. What's that? You can wipe it here. Sugar. Oh, dilaan mo, dilaan mo. Yummy? Yummy. What are you eating? Spicy? Uy, hindi naman spicy eh. It's a donut. Yummy. Oh, wow, wow. Dinilaan na lahat. Kinain lang yung sugar. Wow.
No.
What you eating, ate?
It's about
Barbecue and rice. Wow, yummy, Emil. Oh, there's a black bear daw. Let's go see the black bear. Oh, look, merong ano, yung sa Squid Game. Go take a picture with them. Ayun yung mga army ng Squid Game. Let's go take a picture with them, yeah? Go take a picture with them. Good job, Shella. What is she playing? Oh, she's dead. Go take a picture with them. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Thank you. Hi. Nag-hi si Emil. Hi. What happened? I picture you. Huh?
I'm sorry.
Look, huh?
Your hand was this way.
No.
What the? Oh, they have a
Yeah.
thingy with Jiggy.
Ellie, sa'yo na. Ayun yung Squid Game, oh, maliliit. You wanna go there?
Yeah, go, go, go.
What do you guys have here? Oh, those dagi. Kaya mo ba yun? Are you guys selling these?
No, these are selling over there. They sell Dragon candies over there too. It's called the Keep to Carry. If you go across the street, there's a green tent. Yeah, they have that.
Oh, you can do that.
Where do you sell it there too?
Yeah, they're from Korea. You couldn't find them here. So there's a vendor called the Keep to Carry. It's a green tent. They sell them there.
Green tent.
They sell there too.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, we found the store. No, how much is that one?
This one $15.
Oh, $10. 2 for 20, yeah?
Well, that's how big it
2
is.
for 20?
No, this
Yeah,
is the
actually
one.
it's not ours. Yeah.
Oh, is that yours?
Because somebody else made this one.
Ah, I see. Ah, it's not the whole bag. Gotcha. Look, Emil, oh.
Oh yeah, they're going here.
Hindi tayo makatawad eh. Galing yung negotiation yung ginawa. Hindi na tayo makatawad. Let's go.
Lagot, kuya.
I didn't do that though, it just fell.
Lagot ka. You have to pay for that.
Properly.
Sorry.
What's that, Kuya Ellis?
I want this one. It's a literal squid. Can I see mo?
Tinatawadan ko, hindi daw sa kanya. Pinabibenta lang daw. Ang galing eh.
We should take the lollipop out.
Huwag na, kuya, mababasag yan. Tsaka too thick yan.
That's why you cut it.
No, bro. It's gonna crack. What do you want, Emil?
What do you want? My little boy? You want socks?
Okay, guys, what do you guys have? Well,
It's good.
it tastes good.
It's well, if you're a kid,
Let's taste it. It's good.
it's like caramel.
You're gonna get sick from me. I don't want you to get sick. Is it good, Emil? Is it good? Let's triangle. Let's go home. Oh, look at this. Taiwan. Philippines number 1. Philippines number 1. Yeah? Done. See you guys tomorrow. Hey.